value. As the name suggests, price to book value is a ratio where the current market price of a company is divided by its book value. This ratio is generally given more importance while analyzing companies in the finance sector like NBFCs, banks, etc. This is because while calculating the book value of any finance related companies, their book value is adjusted for their non-performing assets, that is their NPAs. But price to book value ratio can be used to analyze even non-finance related companies. Generally, companies with price to book value ratio in the range of 2 to 6 is what I consider as being not overpriced. Let's analyze a quite simple example. If a company's book value is 100 and its price to book value is 4, then the share price of that company would be 400. Now, I would invest in this company only if it shows a consistent ROE of around 25% if it is a non-finance company. For a finance related company, that is NBFCs or bank, the normal rate of return which we expect is an ROE of around 15 to 18%. All in all, price to book value ratio need not be the most important financial ratio in your arsenal, but it can surely be an accessory to your financial analysis. Thank you so much.